Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is August 26. Chart of the day is silver right here, 45 minutes time frame, which is similar to the 60 minutes. So we can see right here, okay, we completed this with 4 and with 3. This is 3 in the intermediate degree, 4 is here. So now within with 5. Now within with 5, we finish with 1 of 5 here. And now looking for a with 2 of 5, and as long as we stay above 60 to 60, we can continue to see more upside. So this is our primary view, and I'm going to give you two other possible alternate views. Okay, so the idea is very simple. As long as we stay above 60 to 60, we're liking it higher. Now let me zoom out on the 4-hour, giving you some ideas on where we are. Right, so I'm going to copy this with 4 and with 3 in the intermediate degree to the 4-hour time frame, which is this one. Now, I think by looking at this, then you can sort of figure out where is the 1 and 2, right? The 1 and 2 should be here. I think it's this one or this one. I think it's this one is the low. This is lower than this. All right, so basically, as you can see right here, clearly from the low in July 17, we have a 5 swing or 5 waves, right? It's very clear. So that means the market has started to turn bullish from the silver, right? Because of that 5 waves move, right? Unless this is like a flat, but I don't think so. So this is a new 5 waves up, which is part of a new bullish cycle. Okay, now what we are showing as the primary view is that we are still within with 5. So this is with 1 ended here, and then now we are in the process of maybe doing 2. Now we can of course go higher immediately, in which case this is your 2, but for now we are calling possibly ABC to finish the 2, right, before we go higher, and that will be still within with 5. Now the other two alternates that is possible is that we already finished with 5. Instead of 1 of 5, this is already finishing with 5. So that means if we finish with 5, this should be finishing with 1 of a larger degree, which is the primary degree. And if that's the case, then we are in the process of doing a bigger degree correction against the entire rally from July. So this is the less aggressive view. We finished already 5 waves. We're looking for a bigger degree correction. It could go back to with 4 of 1 lesser degree or even more before it turns higher. Now it doesn't change the idea that this is bullish because of the 5 waves, but it does change the idea the pullback can become a little bit bigger. Okay, the other alternate, which is more aggressive, more bullish, is that this is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but this is actually a nest. It's a 1, 2, 1, 2. Now this is the most aggressive count you can come up, right? This is the most aggressive count you can come up, which is doing a nest. Okay, now if you look at the RSI, the momentum relative strength index, you see a divergence so far, right? The price makes a high, but the momentum makes a lower high. That's a divergence. Now, as long as you see that divergence, as long as the divergence stays, then this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes more sense, because usually with 5 is going to be lacking momentum, right? Because it's the end, right? So this is basically has a higher probability to be right than a 1, 2, 1, 2 nest, right? However, at any point in time, if we continue to go higher strongly and this continue to extend and break above this peak, that means the momentum starts showing no signs of divergence, right? Then, right, if that happens, right, if that happens, you can see in the 1 hour also this divergence right here. If the divergence completely get erased and the momentum becomes strongest again, then you will switch the count to become a nest at that moment. But until then, this is a better and a higher probability count, right, for now. And then that leaves us with two possible options. Either we finish with 5 here and then start to see bigger particular pullback, or we're just finishing 105, which is our primary view, and then extend higher still within with 5. Okay, so that's the idea. Again, if this plays out and then during this move up, check out the divergence get erased, then it's no longer 1 2 3 4 5. You change it into a much more bullish view, 1 to 1 2. Okay, if divergence is erased. So that's the idea for today. And if you do want to get more updates on silver or learn more about our technique and Elliott Wave, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day to you all.